In a developing country like Vietnam, mothers are always looking for ways to give their children the energy to grow up healthy and strong. And Milo is the perfect source of nutritious energy for children. So in 2012, Milo Vietnam set itself an ambitious goal to deepen Vietnamese mothers' understanding of their child's energy needs and show them that wholesome energy in Milo is essential to their child's development. We started off with an online energy calculator where moms could quickly input their kids' daily activities and meals. Our calculator would then display the child's energy balance, recommending adjustments to daily diet and physical activity. The energy calculator was an instant success, with millions of unique visits to the Milo website in the first month alone. We quickly followed with a hugely successful mobile app version, available on both iOS and Android platforms. Now that millions of Vietnamese mothers understood their kids' energy needs, it was time to talk directly to the kids. So we created a comprehensive series of kid-friendly training videos designed to inspire kids to play Milo-sponsored sports like football and basketball. And we built online spaces where moms and kids could share their experiences and encourage others to eat responsibly and be active. All this discussion generated quite a buzz. Soon everyone was talking about healthy energy and Milo. Our campaign greatly surpassed our initial goals, changing the way Vietnamese parents and kids understand the link between energy and nutrition. Now, everyday energy for kids has an official name: Nestle Milo.